Hamilton is facing 2 child abuse-related charges, and Braxton's parents say today marks the first step in a very long journey. Chris Musselman and Tori Nelson normally spend their days in the hospital with their 5-month-old son, Braxton.
We plan to be here for every single hearing, no matter what.
But Monday morning, they watched as the woman accused of severely injuring their son stood silent.
I would say a lot of disappointment. And I think it's just emotionally hard.
51-year-old Tanya Hamilton denying both counts.
Her pleads of not guilty and her denials of all enhancements and special allegations.
The couple says Hamilton was babysitting Braxton back in January when she FaceTimed them, explaining she had accidentally fallen on him. But doctors shared the wounds were consistent with the baby that had been shaken.
Anytime you have this kind of an injury to a child, it is shocking.
Madera County DA Sally Moreno says they filed a negligent child abuse charge with a great bodily injury enhancement and another charge that requires a specific type of injury to the child.
The child is comatose or suffers a brain injury or suffers a permanent paralysis.
Braxton's neurosurgeon plans to place his skull back later on this month, but there are still signs of permanent damage on the right side of his brain.
You can't shake a baby. If you feel frustrated, you need to know your limits. This woman didn't follow the simple rules, that we have about how we treat our children.
The parents say they've seen improvement. He's no longer covered in tubes, now down to a single IV.
We're doing our best. It's been really hard, and being in the hospital for the last couple of months has, our poor baby boy doesn't deserve to be in the hospital right now.
Seeing the fight in their little boy's eyes is what keeps them going.
Braxton the Brave, that's our boy.
Hamilton faces 7 years to life in prison if convicted on both charges. Her next court date is set for May 4th, but Moreno says that is subject to change. For now, reporting live in the studio, Sydney Charles, CBS 47 Eyewitness News.